At what age, typically, can you begin as an apprentice? How young of an apprentice would you take on one of your jobs if they were thinking about climbing up the ladder and working their way to owning their own business?
Well, I would say they've got to be in high school, probably 16 years old, 17 years old at least, because you don't want them too young on the job site.
Right.
But you know, we had on the Belmont project, we had a couple of kids that were in college and they were just working for the summer. Never had any desire to work in the trades, but his mother said, "You got to get a job." And so she was a friend of ours and said, you know, "Can you put my son to work? He doesn't really know anything. He doesn't really want to do this, but he's got to get a job for the summer." At the end of the summer, he was doing well, when he worked for us during the summer, he was doing all kinds of things, doing demo, sweeping up when there's nothing else to do, cutting boards. Never used a saw before. We get him to cut boards on lengths for filler pieces and stuff like that. Nothing fancy, but he was excited. And at the end of it, when he was going back to school, I remember him saying, "Geez, do you think I can come back next summer?" So, you know, that was a good feeling.
So some point in high school is okay. Obviously, before that, too young.
I think too.
And then you're making a gauge. When you're talking to a kid who's in high school, you're looking for what? Are you simply just looking for maturity? Are you looking for skills? This is at the apprentice. You're finding someone who wants to be an apprentice.
You're looking for somebody that, first of all, has a desire or even an attitude. A good attitude is key. Not having the knowledge and how to do things, you can train them for that, but having the right attitude, I think, is key to anything.
Yeah.
So a desire to be there and a desire or maybe just the want to learn, you know, something. Okay. And you build off of that.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.